Confederation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya mentagsi ke arpu artrik unailur arhajar arpusan kala penlong ya kejing ki da kejing ya pajba kabakil sedang namadan malki shalawa lechmia kilaya chabarik malki point bat penkut ya kini kejing ya hamadan malki Vice President ke Fastam ubak Sanbon juga ulong ba kejing ni jongki syakmat ban yakhi kalong mendawa na ke sorkar ban kentiu kerdan no ya kinong ikai ad hoc sya ke kerdan defisit bat ban rekam no ya kejing siu tulap ka bada bodor unang yalam ulong ba hadin kini kejing iki ya pai ba ka bagila pendap menta kila sedang saya kejing iki syangkalan mengor wa klembo por hamadan malki
school fetes, they organized tournaments, and they also collected door-to-door contribution from the members of the community and also from the members of the church. But later on, after the government provided these schools with the ad hoc grant, the majority of these SMC, they no longer contributed. That is, at the same time as the salary was given by the government, they even no longer collected fees. Majority of these schools, you will find them in the rural areas. That is, they are charging no school fees, which means they are giving free education to the students. Some of the SMC, they collected only a very small amount of school fees, which is used only as office expenses. And very important, only a few SMC in the state of Meghalaya, they collected fees which they give additional salary to the teachers. We can understand that the majority of the SMC, they only depend on the grant and aid given by the government. Friends, as an adult teachers, our problems can be fulfilled and it can be materialized only with the political will of the government. This for sure. If the government has the will, financial constraint is not the problem. So as an adult teachers, we stand here to make an appeal or to urge the government of the day to take up steps or to come up with a policy to upgrade the ad hoc school teachers to the deficit system or the deficit pattern solution. So which means right from this day, we will start our agitation with a peaceful march rally to begin from Malki Ground, and we will end also the march rally here within Malki Ground. After that, we will continue with the indefinite sit-in demonstration starting in Shillong from today itself and in Tura on the 24th of September.
Tehadu mentah nyirungi kubur ba kasokar kampek ya kaliang kapuli kaputi kalau ong bangi lale sibun hakaliang kapuli kapiti henrei hakabakut kalau nyapet ba kamtam ba kinoi kai ad hoc nisa ba kumju kum kunuksa ngin ayapi mo ngila hikai mentah lajan life house nem ma kajo katulap bat uni uno hikai berang wan thamai tomudur ma pitang hangta kai ka kaburam ka jongi ken hakai emlang kasala kasokar kariban pet kini kita dan kumba prahajar ngut di kinohikai ad hoc nadu LP hadu higher secondary kidang pun kinohikai gibi phone mentan di sakut blok ma ti nyelap tang ya kawai dan ya kran sipang gajing sisya hakajai penriu jongi kasi nia kajing ya teli kaduna ya kata piru tip nrai hakabakut ngin ya kran ni dan kam tang ya kamen sim masyendra ladang idam tang kendiat ngut ru ngikloi banyak kun hadu ka bakut na ka benta jong no ka jing phalang jong barok kita ki prahaja itu ngin ka syong ha ka sarkar lada kala banyak penbaik na ha kita ki sni arsni te ka biang lada kamla kamut ba ngin sadon ki review meeting man la ka arsni kata ka diga rai jong si isi te kamut ngin sasyim ki wei pat ki senjam ki barangsa Kalong indefinite kajinya syong. Yang district Negaro Hills Nilayawan Lut Pelai. Man pensyaya pi kai ga bangyarai kalong bahasil long ngin sedang mentakas ni kajinya syong kelan mongor ka baklem sange mit bat sni Hagaro Hills kin sedang haka arpu sautari. Namar onda kilai pai la syai kin rest kamut kin sedang arpu sautari maki support tura. Ingin saya syong perkat ya kata nyempat ya keren namar mentah ko tayo haduk la syong tayo kan sedang ka puja tingin saya pek syong ka bu kalong be banra no ya no hikai school adop sya ka deficit system lani sya ka deficit pattern ka bamut ka pay skill bat kiwei kijisi kata ka dei ka diman ka bang ibu Ahmad jang ka sarkar tingi tipru manadu kisnam gi baladep ka sarkar ka ai be ya ka daw ba omdan pisa ndrai ngi tip sya bala da ka sarkar ka don ya kamon kamut ka pisa kam don ai namar ban sna pisaru kadai maka bat ban simrai du kadai maka balai pengibu e ni kadiman kum kinong kai school ad hoc nila syakri ban ai ya ka puli ka puthi hati kena labun snem nila ban ong lagi lai pau sau pau snem ndrai hadu menta ngidang yai sa hikum kita kinong kai ad hoc kay kabadan kam menta kamut ba ka sarkar kadai ban sna ya kita ki policy ke ban penjakno e kani ka keteng ad hoc kamut nang bangin yo da kata ka jingsiu ka ba man la ka por kamut kandan ka jingsiu jong ka tulop kumbalong lem kiwei ki para no hikai namala dang yakran ya kata ka qualification ma kumno la thung ya yang ki no hikai nimdan ka jingya pher ni di ki ju i pendap ya ka ju ka jing puli ki ju ki kerdan kendrai ka jingya pher ka bami hang li pat ka dai tang ha ka jingsiu te kamut ngi kerpat ya ka sarkar ba kadai ban sim no ya ka sinjam kamut pan penjak no ikini ki ad hoc bat kan kentiu kurdan ni barok kinai kai school ada. Dei bat kani ka report jong ka State Education Commission ha nyem sem yo hakti ya ka report ndrai la tip yang ngi daki official jong ka Education Department bat katu kat ni na ki member ba kamdon AA kanu ka recommendation na ka commission ka bayadei bat ka jingkentiu ya ka tulop jong kinoi kai ada. Dia halor kata kanong rim kamut ba ngi dawa ya ka sarkar ba kadai ban le ai yang ni kinoi kai ad hoc namar ba nilai yarap ya ka state akal yang jong ka puli ka piti kai pidan banong panel constraint ni tip tang kawai kadai bai tang kamon jong ka sarkar kum nganuksa nilap menta kini kisnem ge baladat ka sarkar kala penmi bun kita ki program ma ki ba ai kerteng ha ka kerteng jong chief minister na ai kimi kini ki pisa kadai barok kadai balai ba ka sarkar ka don ya kamon wat hang niru mentang tip balada ka sarkar kamon kamut amdan jing AAA ma kumbalong hakini ki district council ki baladat nilap ka sarkar ka kloi menta ban siu tulop wat hinong tray at district council ru balai namar baka don kamon ke hang niru kamut ni don kampang e kata lada ka don ya kamon te kamut ni ong bet bakala bet iki baro itu nilap ban keduru ka sarkar bikai kum ki pai baru ba ni kum kinoi kai school kai ke ba kongsan ni a yi kena kaspa ba mo nila panong hi kum ikimi ki pa